Okay, again about the sun and the rain and this kind of stuff.